Here we are at our Coral Windows glass factory. We produce all our glass units of varying types and sizes for all of our customers' individual needs. We actually cut the glass all computerised to the various sizes that we require. This of course is our glass washing unit. Once the glass has been cut, we need to give it a thorough clean to make sure it meets industry standards. Once the glass has been cleaned and washed, we need to fill the unit with argon gas and seal it. We quite simply place it with the other orders for collection the following day by our installation teams. Here we are at Coral Mill. This is the main factory of the company, where our fully qualified staff manufacture our A and A+ energy rated windows, also our doors, conservatories and orangeries, using only the very best of materials, including the highest grade UPVC and in a range of colours. We have many showrooms throughout Yorkshire where customers can view a full range of our products, including our very popular high security doors. Every item we manufacture is bespoke to each of our customers. We ensure perfection in our production process every time. This means we employ a rigorous quality control procedure at every stage. We also conform to industry requirements such as the CE mark, energy rating legislation, British Standards Institute and FENSA. With some of the longest guarantee periods in the industry since the company's establishment in 1990, this level of excellence has always been a major part of the company's success and our customers' satisfaction.